Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, thank you to Mr. Agus Fatullah for being our project manager. This video is purpose to present our project presentation. ChatSphere Virtual TCP based chat application with Genestry network simulation. Before we go further, let me introduce my team. First, Naila Junita Rama. Second, Nordewi Setiani. Third, Fajar Sidik Juneli. Fourth, Nayaka Akmal Alfreda. 5, Nadine Andrea Lumbataruan. 6, Reni Melfiarian Tobi. The next slide will be handled by Dewi. Oke, nah ini
Project description. Our project is called ChatSphere Virtual. It's a simple chat application that works inside a virtual network made using Genestry. We use the TCP protocol for stable and reliable messaging. The main language we use is Python. To keep users safe, we add encryption and also made the interface clean and easy to use. The next slide will be handled by Fajar.
We use Python for front-end and back-end, MariaDB for database, tools and apps such as Genestry, VS Code, EOS Alpine, and VirtualBox. So this is our final project look like. In this step, you can communicate just like in regular chat. You can also create group and send file or photos as long as is under 50 megabyte nice.
Next is final report. This slide shows some key features from our chat application, and let me explain each one. This is registration window. New users can create an account by entering a username and password, then confirming the password. This is the first step before they can log in and use the app. This is login window. After registration, users can log in by entering the username and password. They also need to enter the server's IP address to connect to the chat server. And this is the chat dashboard. This is the main chat interface. Here, users can send and receive encrypted messages. It includes a list of online users, a chat box, and option or joining a group chat. Next, this is our project logbook showing the steps we follow from the start to finish. We begin with analysis and planning, where we define the project goals and organize our workflow. Then, we focus on the back-end development, including database setup and message encryption. We continue with testing infrastructure setup using virtual machines and network simulations in GNS3. And finally, we did routing configuration and system evaluation to make sure everything runs smoothly. After finishing all the technical tasks, we work on the final deliverables. In this stage, we created all the supporting materials, including the final report, presentation slides, poster, manual book, demo video, and this presentation. These outputs summarize the whole project and how we built the system step by step. Next will be explained by Nadine.
Project challenge. The first one is script crash. During the development process, some of our automation or configuration scripts unexpectedly crash. Explanation is this happen due to syntax errors and incompatibility between tools or environment. The impact is we had to debug and rewrite parts of the code, which took additional time. The second is Genestry connection failure. The Genestry network emulator failed to connect or load virtual device properly. Explanation is this was likely due to system limitations or misconfigured settings. The impact is we need to reconfigure the topology multiple times before it works. the last one is operating system errors. The operating system occasionally display unexpected errors. The explanation: some system files may have been corrupt or conflicting updates were installed. The impact is we had to restart the system and ensure all configuration were backed up. That's all for our project challenge. I will report back to the moderator. Thank you.
While working on this project, we faced a few problems. First, script crash. We check each line of the script to find bugs and logic mistakes. Then we fix them and add error handling to stop future crashes. Second, GNS3 not connecting. The solution is we reinstalled the GNS3 and make sure all the tools like VirtualBox were set up correctly. We also changed CPU and RAM settings for the better performance. Third, operating system error. So we ran systems check to repair damaged files, and we also use backups and restore points to keep our data safe. The next slide will be handled
Teamwork,
by Nayaka.
distribution, and contribution. Benefit and feature work. 1. Wide network access. We plan to expand the GNS3 simulation so that the application can connect to the internet. This will allow us to test the system in a more realistic with area network environment. 2. Wireless connectivity. We aim to replace the current wired network setup with a wireless implementation in the simulation. This change will reflect a more modern network environment like those commonly used today. And 3. Advanced chat feature. We will improve the application by adding essential chat feature such as file sharing, group chat, and notification to make it more complete and user-friendly. Thanks, everyone.
That's all from our presentation. We apologize for any mistake. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.